What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Today, I've got a recipe that you are not going to believe how simple it is. It is a three ingredient recipe. Three. I don't know how it does the magic that it does, but it makes a great snack, an after school snack, after work snack. Three ingredients, high in protein. It's got honey in it, peanut butter, and oats. That's it. Three ingredients. Absolutely delicious. It's one of my favorite things now. I'm probably going to oversaturate it and get to where I don't like it anymore. But right now, I really like it. It's just get home from work when you're hungry, eat up one of these little things, and it tides you over. It's such a great deal. But anyway, we're going to make that really fast. And again, it's three ingredients and it's really easy to make too, on top of everything else. So we're going to cook this, whip this up for you, and show you how to do it. So here it comes, guys. This is three ingredients: peanut butter oat bars. By the way, if you're not a subscriber, take a second. I know everybody preaches this. Do hit subscribe. It means the world to us, guys. Here comes the recipe for three ingredient peanut butter oat bars. All right, guys, in a medium saucepan, you want to make it big enough because you're going to put 3 cups of oatmeal in here. We're going to put 1 cup of peanut butter. I use creamy because I can't use the crunchy. I would use crunchy if I could, but I can't, so don't. So we got this on a medium high-ish heat, somewhere around like that. So that's 1 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 of a cup of honey. Again, remember to spray that cup prior to putting that in there. Just makes the honey come out better and cleaner. Also spray the peanut butter cup. So what we're going to do is kind of stir this together. We want to melt this together. Use a strong wooden spoon or a metal spoon or whatever. I may have just broken one of my rubber spatulas scooping out peanut butter, which made me really sad because I've had it for a long time. It's one of my silicone spatulas. I bought it years ago at Williams Sonoma. I mean, I've had it, good Lord, I've had it for 15 years, I'd say. I mean, you don't really have to get too crazy with this. You just want to get it melted a little bit softer. I mean, it's pretty soft right now. I think we're going to say it's good. We're going to turn it off. Kind of set that off the stove for a sec. Now, to this, we're going to add 3 cups of oats. This is old-fashioned oats. It is not the quick oats. It's the old-timey, old-fashioned oats. Just like that. Slowly incorporate this. And I have yet to make a big mess with this, surprisingly. Which today will be the day I make a big mess. And what you're doing, you're just coating the oats. It does get stiff, though. It kind of gets hard to do. I'm going to kind of chop it up. Just make sure that all those oats have that peanut butter honey mix. And you think about, like, how is this going to set up? How is this going to not be a big sticky gooey mess? I don't know. It does, though. It makes bars. All right, so we're going to stop right there and we're going to put that in a pan. All right, we have a handy dandy 9x9 pan here. Take a sheet of parchment paper, crank it up really good. Stretch it out. Spread it in the pan. Now we're going to take our oat mix. And we're just going to scrape all of that goodness out. Okay, let's set this. Actually, do some scraping here. It's hard for me to hold this pan. I just had trigger finger release surgery on this hand, and it's been 2 weeks out, and it's still a little hard to maneuver in some respects. All right, so I'm going to take a fork. We're just going to kind of divvy this out. All the way. Push it down so you guys can see. Seems to be pretty level. Well, that's out over here, maybe a little bit. There we go. All right, now here's what I do. It doesn't say to do this in the directions. I take another sheet of handy dandy parchment, crinkle it a little bit, lay it right on top, and I will just take it and I will press down the edges. Press it down. So this is compressed and packed in. And that's literally all there is to this. It's, again, a cup of peanut butter, 3/4 of a cup of honey, and 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. How easy, kids. You know, it does say you can use maple syrup and things like that. I don't have maple syrup. And why would you not use honey? Okay, I'm gonna sneak a peek to show you what it looks like. All right, so I'm just gonna leave this sitting here for an hour or so, let it cool off completely. Then I'll stick it in the fridge, let it really chill. Then we'll take it out and cut it into bars. And that is it. And then we will eat it. Yum. All right, guys, these have cooled in the fridge. They're nice and cold. And watch how easy they pop out. What? Very firm. Relatively easy cleanup for this guy. So what we're going to do is pull off all the parchment. I'm telling y'all, this is such an easy dessert. All right. Or snack or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Now, to cut it, ever help? I'll cut it with my surgery. I'll use my surgery hand for pressure. I do like them a little smaller. I don't want a huge bar of this, so I've got to where I really like raw oats, raw old fashioned oats. I rarely ever, well, I don't cook them. I just want raw oats. Now, could that be easier? That's what it looks like. Look how dense and pretty. I mean, it's firm. Three ingredients. Let's taste it. Although I know it's magic. First of all, first of all, you got to smell. You can smell peanut butter. Can't really smell the honey, but totally can smell the peanut butter. Texture, it's really good. It almost reminds me of like chewy granola bars. The flavor of the honey really hits. Not overly sweet. Great peanut taste. It's just wonderful for three ingredients, guys. I am so glad I found this recipe. It is such a winner. You've got to try it. Three ingredient peanut oat bars. I'll put the recipe on here. I mean, but really, three ingredients. Give it a try. If you find something you add to it and you like that, make sure you let me know what it is because I would like to know. Um, you could even drizzle stuff on top of it, whatever. But again, it's so good just like that. So give it a try, see what you think about it. If you have any suggestions for ideas for recipes, even with anything you want me to try, I would love to hear from you. You can shoot me an email right here or just drop me a line down below in a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys don't forget to subscribe, it means the world to us. Have a great week out there. Be safe, but above all, be nice to each other.